Hi, my name's David and I'm the Head Teacher of Administration at E2Language. Well, I've had a crazy journey getting to E2Language. I started off following my passions and ended up studying and working in theatre for a number of years. Then I progressed to the University of Wollongong, where I was going to train to be a teacher, and I finished my Diploma of Education and then taught in the high school system for 8 years. And now I specialise in teaching English online with E2Language. My role as Head Teacher of Administration at E2Language has progressed from being a tutorial and live class teacher to organising and administrating other tutorial and live class teachers around the world. And what I do is make sure that they are resourced and trained so that we at E2Language can maintain the high quality of teaching and learning experiences for our students. I find the best teachers for E2Language by advertising globally and selecting from a large pool of teachers who offer their services to us by looking at how they respond to key selection criteria. And it's that I'm looking for. So when they respond appropriately to their question, why do you want to work for us? Then I base our selection on their response. Most days of the week I work from home, which is where I am at the moment. My day consists of getting up, catching up on the news in the morning, and then ending up in my office being directed what to do by my notes in my Google Calendar. After that, it might include me writing some content, but then in the evening, I monitor the live classes. We go live at 5 p.m, 6 p.m, and 8 p.m, and all of those classes are monitored partially by me, so I communicate with the teachers of those live classes to ensure that they are set and ready to go 10 minutes before those classes begin. In PTE speaking, students are assessed on their pronunciation, their fluency, and their content. One of the misconceptions that students have is that their accent influences their pronunciation mark, which is an enabling skill. And it's not strictly true to have that perception. So what we can do at E2Language is to show you how to produce those sounds. We can show you a symbol for those sounds, give you a sound for those sounds, model how to physically produce those sounds, and within 10 or 15 minutes, you can have your English pronunciation corrected to a native speaker-like quality, which is what you want in the test. It also works to take those skills with you into your English-speaking environment after the test so that you can continue to be understood as a confident English speaker. Visit E2Language.com to learn more about E2 experts like me.